What's up, guys? It is Q Pokelips and the winner of the last time. So we're back with even better ones. Maybe. You ready?
I'm ready.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Drakey's, there's his nose. You see it? Now, babe, this is much different from the one we did last time.
How so?
Well, as you see, there's a Charizard off. And he's pretty cool. And there's also loads of Charizards in this. There's 2 of them, 3 in this set. Oh, so there's goods in there. Yep, the same as last time. You get, if you peek inside, there's a little, that's all the cards in there. Like, it tells you all the cards in the set. So if you're collecting it, like I'm trying to, you know all the cards almost. And then you just toss it, yep. All madness. You want to show off the stuff in there? Okay, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. But guess what? There's something in there that wasn't there last time. Let's show that off. That's always nice. Yeah. You get a Charizard in there automatically. So that's great, right? Yeah. So we'll just put them aside. Wow, that's great. Okay, look, you see there's sleeves in there.
Oh.
Charizard ones. So if you pull one, you can put it in there if you like.
Cool, alright.
And you want to show off this? They would love that. I don't know what they get in the online part of that, but they can go crazy with it. There's one for you guys. And there's 2. And the rest is more than nonsense. It's the same as last time. We want the packs.
Okay.
Yeah. And the other stuff you set aside, we'll deal with the madness later. Sorry, you good? Huh? All right, we're good. So there's 10 packs this time instead of 8.
I counted.
Oh, you counted them. There's 10 this time. And so the last one was called Vivid Voltage Bay. This one's Champion's Path.
Right. Does it matter which one?
Doesn't matter. I shuffle mine around a bit.
I'm gonna do. They all kind of look the same.
Are you gonna stack them up?
Yeah, just the same Pokemon.
Dreadnought, Garbodor, Alchemy, and Obsidian.
Okay.
Alright, that's how you're gonna have them out?
Yeah.
Alright, what you gonna do first?
This cool one.
Alchemy it is. Alright, I'll do a Garbodor. Oh, wait, with the choose the pack. Cheers. How did it feel winning last time?
What?
How did it feel winning last time?
Great, but I don't really know how I won.
You had a lot more better cards than I did. Now these are bad for you. You guys are gonna have just show them. You show them the regular Red Bull. I'm gonna put those over there. Yep, nice. And then 4 from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember? And then from the top, I guess. From the top. Sorry. And I put those in the front.
Okay.
Oh wait, because the energy be in the front. Yep, we're good.
Okay. All right.
You good?
Yeah.
Let's see it. All right. And now this is Champion's Path, babe. Good luck.
All right. Thanks.
Mm-hmm. Turfield Stadium. These should all be new to you, except if you've seen them from me.
I have no idea.
Oops, this is over. Alright, we're good. Ekans, nice.
I've got a lot of crap right now.
Oh, that's not crap. Okay, so these are reverses. Very nice. And
This is my reverse?
yeah, see the other side's shiny instead of the. You see how it's all shiny except the main?
Oh, but it's a candy.
Well, so what? It's, you know, and woo!
What is
So I got a Dreadnought V card, and you got a holographic Obsidian. So not too crazy, but he's cool.
But your card's stronger, right?
Oh, I mean, it's stronger. It's a better card. It's a hit. So it's a little baby hit. So Dreadnought V from the first pack and Galarian Obsidian. All right, babes. Nice.
Okay.
Very, very nice. Where are you putting the garbage?
I'm
Just kind of sliding to the side?
Yeah.
Okay. Pack number 2. I got a Dreadnought one after pulling one. For me, it's very exciting because sometimes you get a lot of the ones you got for the whole time.
Really?
I've opened 17 and got like just that kind of stuff. Not one turtle. Tweet at us. Let us know what you get. And I hope it's amazing. Thank you, babes.
Yep.
Sorry. Oh, yours is fire switched. Nice. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Do you like seeing the Pokemon more than the trainer stuff? Is that what you said? It feels like it's garbage sometimes?
Yeah.
Well, you could. Oh, what did I do? I think I did it twice. I said, "Oop, we're good. I'm at the. Oh, I got her. Oh, we both got reverse rares. So I got a reverse rare Machop, and you got a reverse rare Obstacle. Very nice. Let's go for the bangers. You have a holographic Hatterim, and I got a holographic Zygarde. All right.
Oh, I like this.
You like that? It's dope, right? It's dope. Even though they're like not too crazy, the holographic on it is very nice. When you hit that. It's like that, right? That one.
I just like that pink.
Oh, from the Hatterim.
Purple.
Pink and purple. Garbodor pack. Just 2 in. Still have loads. Are you just grabbing?
Yeah.
So they're all even?
Yeah.
Do you have a technique for opening it, Cynthia?
Just the middle right here.
Give it a go. Give it a no. Give it a ha.
I don't want to ruin the card.
You won't. No, that's an interesting way.
How are you?
The next one I'll show you. There you go. Oh. My bad. There it is. Woo. Nice.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm not. Let's go grass. Huh! I was gonna say psychic. I was. Ah, there's the grass. All right. Shall we? It's always a pleasure having you on.
Thanks. So I don't really know much about Pokemon.
It doesn't matter. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
That's
cool.
what matters. Plus, you know Hakuna. That's good. And you know who Charizard is. That's all you need. You know who Charizard and Pikachu are. You're good to go. Ooh, okay. So I got a reverse rare Altaria, so that's pretty good. You have a reverse Machoke, it's not as big, but still pretty good. But ready? Let's go. See. Another one you got.
Oh.
And I got. I don't know this guy. He's a little weirdo. I don't like him. All right. Champions Path, doing what Champions Path does. This was a smaller set, but since it came out with either your Charizard, it kind of made Pokemon super hard again. And this is the first one, if I'm not mistaken, that was the hardest to get on shelves for right.
Really?
Yeah, but when you look at it, you get a lot of it. Just regular holographics, it's really hard to get the other stuff.
You just rip it, huh?
Yeah. But once you get the big hits, it makes it that much better.
I can't even rip it.
Huh?
I can't even rip it.
There you go. Go, and then just...
That's not working. I'm just gonna do the way I was.
That's fine. There's no right or wrong way, I don't think. Bam! I just don't need that. What happened? Did I do that? Okay, well the rare will be good. Ooh. Steal and fighting. That's all fighting. I'm a choke. Good? Nice. Okay, some of these are like a lot newer ones. So if you're not familiar with them. Ah, there goes Weedle. You know that one. Oh! Hey! Oh. Oh, we got the same packs. This is like the same pack thing like from last time. That's crazy. Hey, hold on. Wait, 1 second. Let me catch up to you. I got another reverse rare. Wow.
Nice.
Okay, go ahead. And just kind of regular.
Aww.
More of the same. That's okay. Ooh.
Also, happy B-Day.
Just for the occasion.
I probably won't see this till after,
But hopefully not too shortly after, because I have been on my editing thing. I have been on it, trying to get it done, guys, because Shining Fates is on its way. Shining Fates is on its way, and we will be getting a whole lot of that, too. And I hopefully will be able to get 2 Eevee boxes. Would you like to do this again with an Eevee box? Yeah, it's got Eevee on the front. Boom!
also I got some cereal.
Pokemon cereal.
Yeah.
With what? Berry bolts?
Yeah, so.
We're living large over here, people. Now, can we get the poles? Oh, no, you're good. You got psychic. I'm going to go water. Let's go. It's going to be a banger. It's got to be. I didn't really swear it. I swear it.
Whoops.
What, like, you like clip the cards up?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
I hate these ones.
The trainer ones?
Yeah.
Oopsies. Oh yeah, trust me. Yeah. No, most people aren't. Okay, I'm already at the reverse. I'll wait for you. Most people don't, but they're good for the actual game, so that's nice. So you have a reverse Zigzagoon, very nice, and a holographic Zygarde. I got. Woo! A Dreadnought VMAX, and out of almost 100 packs at this point, probably open a Champions pack. I have not pulled him. I think we should get a sleeve for this. What do you think, guys? Also, see that pack right there? That's him right there.
Oh, alright. That's so cool.
Wow. That's actually very exciting. I have not seen this card in person yet, and I have not pulled it.
Alright. That's 10 years down finally be opening the
Alright. So we got Dreadnought V. We do got the Dreadnought V, and then the Dreadnought V Max from the same box. So that's pretty good. And we still have what? We have 5 packs left or 4 more?
After this one, 4.
Oh, we still got 5. We're halfway through it. Oh, you're about to watch. You're about to go clip off now. I got an obstacle.
I hope so.
I know so. You're gonna get a rainbow watch. I don't want to be the rainbow guard, but you're gonna get a rainbow something. You gotta see it. Oh, Carvana, that's like the car thing, you know? The car app. That was a lame joke.
Lame.
Alright, oh, I think I saw it. Yeah, dark. Steel. Or metal. Shall we?
I don't think I've ever had metal.
Nice, good?
Yeah.
So he's literally a bag of trash. Look how cute he is. He's having a good time. Are you already at the... Oh, you're at the reverse. Did you go pull that back one back? Nice. You got him reverse. All right. I'm at the reverse. I reverse Malamar. And what'd you get? A Lycanroc holographic. And I got a Zygarde holographic. We've seen those. Let's keep it moving, shall we? All right, 4 more. I have 2 Gardevoir packs, so I'm going to take one of those. You have one of each left?
Yeah.
Nice. So you're going to go Obstagoon again, are you?
Crazy.
There's going to be 20 packs of Champions Path when we're done. That's a lot. Almost a booster box. Oh, much too long for that. Boom!
Is that right?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
Amazing. You are absolutely incredible. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh no!
What?
Yeah, yours is upside down. How'd that happen?
Uh-oh.
That's okay. Doesn't matter.
Charizard.
Oh, it doesn't matter. Charizard. All right, fighting. Hey, come here. That's always good for a video. Come here. That's fine.
You got it.
That's not gonna get cut because then it looks like we're messing with packs.
Oh.
Weedle, you guys know Drakey. If you seen him, he pokes his head in the video sometimes. And this is what happens when we try to do something nice together. Oh! This is my reverse.
That's the one I was hope you get pink.
Oh, well, look at that. I don't have, that's amazing.
You're missing.
Oh, so, oh, wait. You're already skipping. Like, that's your reverse. Your reverse is the Ekans, babe. No, what are you doing? No, get out of here. I don't have that. That Ekans is good. We need that.
This one?
Yep. And then you got a professor's research.
Yeah.
I know it's not as funny as the holographic. Yep. And I got a Marnie holographic. So, you know, again, not the craziest things. But this is,
I love that one.
we're just three. Oh, I have it. Fine. You keep going. I'll be right with you. All right, guys. Not popping on none too great. How does this look? This got print lines on it? I'm sure it does. These usually do. That's not bad. And they don't even use fairy energy anymore. R.I.P. to those.
Oh, they're so nice.
I think it's just the fairy typing was no good for the card game. Dreadnought, dang, this box is kind of busted. Oh, there's the PS A10 of that. Call right to you. All right. Ooh. Kapow! I'm right with you.
Oh, sorry.
Fire. Done myself. Ready?
Yep.
Let's go, babes. I need something. We need to see it.
I need a
Little juice.
little something.
Maybe your last one's gonna be like, whoa, I can't believe this. Whoa. So thank you for joining me as always, Cedric. Oh, yawning. That's how.
Oh, what was that?
That was the Sway Blue. Look at him.
Oh, he's cute.
All right, so I got a reverse Piers in this one. You have a reverse Melon, you reverse Rare, ding, 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 ding. And what do you got? Oh, you got a Dreadnought V now. Look at that. You got one of them too. Not the super crazy one, but let's go. And I got
What do you got?
one of these Professor's Research.
Womp, womp, womp.
But babe, look at, all right, you're on the board.
Yeah. Some would say.
I got two left. Let's do Alchemy. What you got?
Oh.
Why are you dipping away like that? Don't do it on camera. If you do it on camera, it makes you faking.
Turn it on. I don't have to turn it on.
Why not?
Because nobody wants to see that. Oh.
Did I show the code? I think I must have. Nice. Ready? The penultimate pack. Okay, these lame cards.
Yeah, maybe
with
that's
tins
why,
on, all these tins. You want all the monsters.
Maybe that's why I'm so tired.
No, it's also a little later. Should be a little later than usual, guys.
Oh.
Reverse potion, okay. Very nice little picks. Reverse Weedle, okay. And I'm a champ and a Centiscorch holographic. All right. Last pack.
Last pack. I hope it's not a dud.
Good luck.
Good luck.
20. See, this is. You see what my problem with Champion's Path is? It's this. Sometimes it runs
A little slow.
a little slow. Especially like your box is hands down. As of right now, we'll see what happens. As of right now, that box is that's it. That's sad. You wish we could have just ended up selling that one or not picking it up.
Yeah.
But then we wouldn't have to do this. I get to appreciate more of that than anything else.
Very true.
And you never know, it's the last one, so. Electric! Ah! Why'd you make that noise when you pulled out the card like that? Oh, we're gonna get sued. It sounds too good. Sounds like the real thing. Alright. You got reverse Sizzipede, I got reverse Linoon. And the final one is
Womp womp.
Champion's Path.
I'm very sad.
2 boxes worth. God. 20 packs.
2 boxes worth.
Well,
I
yeah.
won.
I mean, we almost tied. So these three, and then Cindy got one. Cedria's got one of these as well. So a whole lot of Dreadnoughts. I have a little bit more Champions Path, and I'm pretty much gonna be done with it too, guys. Because after that shiny Zard, I don't. It hurts. How you feel about it?
I just took it out.
Would you rather just do another Vivid Voltage, the Pikachu box again? Yeah.
Probably.
Or Eevee one next?
Yeah, Eevee or Pikachu.
Okay, so next week with Eevee one then. Assuming I get my hands on it. Sound good? I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'll see you on the next one, guys. It's Cupocalypse. Subscribe everywhere. Have us 20 code cards. Let us know what you get, please. Thank you. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.